Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a PayPal account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you have not already. So go ahead and open up the website, and once you open it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page where we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, we're going to go ahead and be creating a new one. So how do we create a new one? It's very easy. You have two buttons you can click. You can click sign up in the upper right corner, or you can just click sign up for free right here in the middle of the page. If you need a business account for your business, you can click open a business account, but now I'm going to be showing you how to create a normal account by clicking sign up for free. So you can select if you want a personal account or a business account. Once you select which one you want, you can click continue. So by clicking continue, you can now go ahead and get started entering your email. So go ahead and enter in the email that you want to use for your account, and once you enter it, you can click next. So once you click next, it's going to take you to this new page right here where you can get started entering your number. So you're going to need a phone number if you want to use the account. So what you want to do is go and select your country code, and after that, just enter in your phone number. And by entering the number, you can click next and proceed to the next page where you're going to be entering your password. So once you can provide it, your email that you want to use, your phone number for account, and your password, you can just click finish. There's going to appear a finish button at the bottom of the page. And once you finish it, guys, we can now get started logging in. So what we can do is go to the main page, and in the main page at the PayPal website, we can click the login button. The login button is going to enable us to go ahead and enter in with our PayPal account, and you can get started logging in. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.